So how much focus you have in getting something is more attachable to the quality and reality ground of your life, the truth of your life. Sometimes your future dies and you are powerless to stop it. And that guilt of failure consumes you forever. Right? But your fate doesn't lie to only your hands. And so your life keeps going without any aim and without any course. Right? Basically, aimlessly. You try to do every possible thing to bury your past and rebuild your new life to yourself and claim every possible thing, every positivity. But that past keeps reminding you and keeps getting in front of your eyes and rips you apart every single time in every possible encounter and mutilates you every single second of your life. That's the moment that every possible door to the future slams on your face and tells you to go back to your past, how you were. And that's the moment of a complete breakdown of your faith and relativity to yourself. That's the moment when dead end is waiting for you. See, when I talk about how and why patience and consistency are important, and as far as the exponential growth of an individual is concerned, right, there is a reason behind this. Okay, let me give a perfect example. Back then, after my 12th science, I was clueless. My studies were completely wrecked, right? I didn't know a single clue about like where is my life going, life जा कहाँ रही है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. I was completely blank. So at that moment, I just calmed myself down, because if in that moment of fear of society, कि what will people say, कि यार नहीं हो रहा है तो drop out ले लिया, घर पे बैठ गए, I didn't think of that all statements at that moment. Because अगर उस बारे में वहाँ सोच लेता तो शायद कोई हेक्टिक या रश में कुछ ना कुछ डिसीजन चला जाता. Right? So in that 1 year of dropout, this page of mine came up in that particular 1 year, right? So if I see outcome right now and I turn back and look, all those struggle, all those pressurized years, so I feel comfortable and I gradually like I'm proud of myself कि ठीक है यार, हमने कोई रश में कोई डिसीजन नहीं लिया, we just brought out naturally. So कई बार हमें लाइफ में कुछ डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं कि ठीक है, कभी मोमेंट में रिलीफ मिलता है, कभी थोड़ी रिग्रेट भी होती है, बट ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर रिलेटेबल टू समथिंग इन द फ्यूचर. एवरीथिंग कनेक्ट्स समथिंग दैट यू वांट so eagerly, that you crave your whole life. See, every individual part has its own journey, has its own struggle, right? The only thing common in every excellent people and successful people you look is that hunger they crave for so eagerly. The hunger for excellence, the hunger for being supreme, the hunger for being at the top, staying at top. Because ऊंचाई और टॉप पे पहुंचना आसान है, लेकिन वहाँ कायम रहना सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल है, सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट है. So craving for every individual, for success or for money or fame or whatever you call your craving, it's your particular path, it's your particular journey. But patience is the initial stage you need to survive. Once you survive that patience stage, you go out and you follow the consistency of your future, of your line, of your belief, right? And boom, you are there. But that boom sound needs a lot of hard work and passion, and as I said again, hunger, the crave for snatching something from the life. Because as we discussed before, the life is smoky as hell. You are not getting anything for free. every individual has some cost you need to pay. Now you decide, you want to go to the dead end of your past, or you need to bury, and yeah, it will rip you apart every single time, but you need to stand up and fight. If you don't, then who will? This isn't the Netflix series or something going on with a happy ending. No. The happy ending depends on your decisions, right? So how much focus you have in getting something is more attachable to the quality and reality ground of your life, the truth of your life. Period.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want